Okay, so I'm already signed in to my student account of iXL, and then here in the green, I am just going to click Diagnostic, and then I will start by saying step into the arena. And then the one thing we want to change, since we're just focusing on English language arts, is here in the right corner of the blue. I am going to change mine to just language arts. Otherwise, right now, it would be switching me between both. So now you can see the book here, so language arts, so then it doesn't matter. The student can pick whichever question they want to start with, and then it works just as if the student is working through an iXL lesson. So they answer it, submit it, and that's going to tell them if they're right or wrong, and just go through that. The one thing to note and remember with this, for us to even start to get kind of an accurate picture of what the kids know and don't know, they do have to answer several questions. There's no magic number for us to start getting results, but them just getting 5 done total is not really going to give us any information to analyze and make decisions on. Okay, now I am in the teacher side of iXL. So you're probably going to want to first set up your roster. So I'll see if I can get that practice student in there. I guess not. So we'll just do this just so you can see. So pretty easy. I've done that. They are now in there. If you have several classes, you can do the start using classes and then just name each class. And that just makes an easy way to sort. So now here, like if I go back up to Haley, I can choose it. She's in my 5th grade class, Micah's in my 2nd grade class, and so on. So that's just setting up my rosters. You also can come to the arrow by your name and go to roster as well if you need to add more students later on. And so then to actually look at our data, so here all I had to do in the green was click on Diagnostic. So you can see that Haley has worked on the diagnostic before, and so we just kind of have some rough data, probably from last school year, in regards for her. But then this is kind of what we're most interested in, is this diagnostic action plan. Oh, and so right here is where I would change my students as well, just up at the top. So going to that diagnostic plan here. And so, I mean, you can see she didn't work on things a whole lot. But like here on like vocabulary, they have some recommendations for her that she should do BJ9. And so I could go and see. So here, I mean, just if I'm curious what BJ9 meant, it was a 4th grade standard. So she took this in 4th grade, so that would be appropriate. You know, she's at grade level for that. So we'll definitely have to dive in a little bit deeper as we look at these, but that's something then, you know, that you would be able to print off for your students, even just in your pause group, to have them. Oh, I guess it says right here too. So this one is an actual 3rd grade skill, so she would need to go back to that to work on it. That was a 4th grade skill, 4th grade, and so on. But that, especially having that grade level there, definitely lets you kind of know, are they on kind of that target track that we are looking at, or do we need to help get them some intervention? So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.